This Align Right Realty property video is presented by Gustavo Serpa. This popular floor plan offers plenty of room for entertaining. This open floor plan has 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths. Kitchen features large island, granite countertops, large cabinets, huge pantry and stainless steel appliances. Downstairs master bedroom was extended to include a sitting area perfect for reading or hanging out. Master bath is spacious with both a garden tub and walk-in shower. Have lots of clothes? No worries, spacious walk-in closet for those who enjoy shopping. Upstairs area has a large loft that can be used as a playroom, TV room or entertaining. 3 bedrooms and a full bath are located upstairs perfectly. Outdoor area has a patio for cooking out and evening sunsets. This home offers savings with an energy complete system and flexible seal technology. Tech Shield Radiant Barrier and top build energy rating. Spacious backyard, professionally landscaped with programmable irrigation system. This is a resort-style community that includes a zero-entry pool, clubhouse, and fitness center. Terra Largo is located right off of I-4 between the Tampa and Orlando area. Welcome home to paradise. This is Florida living. Make your appointment now. This home will not last. For more information, review the details below.